Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. On August 25th of 2022, the Zebulon police chief was pulled over for a traffic stop by officers in the neighboring city of Molina, Georgia, when they noticed the car's dark window tint and ghost tag, which means the vehicle is not registered. Upon being signaled to pull over, the chief activates the blue emergency flashers on his unmarked vehicle, as if to say, "Let me go. I'm one of you." But when the officers don't let him go, the chief parks his car in the middle of the road, immediately exits his vehicle, and approaches the officer's cruiser.
What are you doing? Here, call her. Go out.
Say hello. Was that illegal?
No, no, sir. The reason why we're stopping you is because it's the window tint violation.
I blinked my blue lights at you to let you know who I was.
Yes, sir. Well, we didn't know with it. That's not a government tag.
That is an unofficial tag. Okay. That tag's not even on file.
I see. Yes. Well, we have to catch up the bill to run it and everything like that, sir. So
I won't blink my blue lights at you next time. I'll let you just sit there. I was just speaking. I'm the police chief in Zebulon.
Well, nice to meet you, sir.
Matt Polk worked for me. Your chief worked for me.
Yes, sir. There's no need to get upset.
I'm upset because I spoke to you when I come by, and now you're pulling me
Sir,
over.
I've never met you a day in my life.
I understand that.
Why are you being hostile?
Easy. I don't have to talk to you.
Okay.
Easy. I'm not talking to you.
Why are you being hostile right now?
Are y'all gonna write me a ticket? Are you gonna write me a ticket?
Sir, we're just trying.
I'm the police chief in Zebulon. You wanna write me a ticket?
Why are you coming up to me like that? I'm doing my job, right?
What are you stopping for?
I'm stopping you for one. The window tint's dark. You flashed your blue lights. Okay, you know how many officers have blue lights?
Are you writing me a ticket? Yes or no?
I'm conducting my investigation.
Are you writing me a ticket? I'm just to leave.
You have a driver's license.
Sure, I have my driver's license.
Literally.
I'm fixing to make it a whole lot more. Your boss worked.
1111. I'm out here with Illinois.
Just like anybody else.
After getting in the officer's face in a way that would surely have had you or I arrested, his license is run and plates called in. The chief walks away to make a phone call to the other department's chief, and eventually, one of the officers reapproaches his vehicle.
11, make sure you're recording.
Yeah. What?
She's about bringing your driver's license back up.
That's fine.
Yeah. First, when we ran the tag, it came back to like a Dodge Ram, so we're just confirming it's not. Yes, sir.
It's a ghost tag.
Yes, sir. We're making Yes, sir. Yeah, we're just.
You must have run it wrong. You must have run it wrong because you wouldn't come back to a Dodge Ram.
We were confirmed it. They let us know and everything.
So it's still coming back to a Dodge Ram now?
Sir, can I ask why you're so upset?
Is it still coming back to a Dodge Ram now?
No, we got it fixed. Why are you so upset?
No, you didn't fix it. Is it still coming back to a Dodge Ram right now?
No, it came back 9 on 5.
That's right, because you run it wrong.
Sir.
Somebody run it wrong. Either you did or they did.
We're about to get the information.
Okay, I got your chief on the phone right now. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
Can you calm down for us, please?
I appreciate your service. I appreciate your service.
All right.
I'm just saying, I spoke to you guys. I didn't have to do that. I could have eased on by y'all. I appreciate the job y'all out here doing.
Chief, I'm trying to be respectful with you.
I understand that. I understand.
I'm not raising my voice and nothing at you, right?
I understand.
All right, let's.
But I'm trying to tell you, the only thing I done wrong was spoke. Y'all never would have pulled me over if I hadn't flicked my blue lights.
No, sir. No, we were going to pull you. Actually. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm telling you straight up, okay?
Let me know in the comments what and why you think they edited out the officer's reasons for the stop.
Right.
But, like I said, there's people out there impersonating police officer with blue lights.
Or she threw my license if she is getting them for me.
She'll bring it to you, sir.
Okay, well that's fine.
I'm just trying to talk with you.
I don't want to talk anymore about it.
All righty. It's very unprofessional.
Zebulon and the neighboring city of Molina share an emergency radio channel, and after the Zebulon police chief was pulled over by the 2 Molina officers, he allegedly blocked the city from using its frequency in retaliation, forcing the city to use the Pike County Sheriff's Office emergency channels instead, which is funny, because the chief wasn't even issued a citation, and this form of retaliation only hurts the citizens of another city. It appears the chief is too entitled to deal with low-level officers, and this is what you are forced forced to pay for. A high and mighty leader that acts as though he is above the law. Leadership like this is what breeds the type of culture we see corroding departments from the inside out. Yet, at the time of recording this video, we've heard deafening silence from the town's officials. So before you leave, let me know how you think this stop would have been different if it was you in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.